Hello guys, Swagagen here with a Swagagen Unboxings 12? Yeah, I think this is an unboxing, Swagagen Unboxings 12, and as you can tell I got a little package, but this package is from England. So if you might be wondering what I got, so why don't we just open the box, let's see what's in it. And there's some styrofoam. I'll just move the styrofoam out. Got 1, 2 things now. I'll just put the styrofoam back in its thing real quick. And then just get this styrofoam back in. And I got all the styrofoam back in, so let's open up the bubble wrap that's keeping these items safe from getting hurt while being mailed here. This is gonna take a bit of a while. Here is the first Coach Out package. Now let me just get the other one. Just get this open out of the way. Ooh. Alright. Yeah. Oh, you're, I got some Suburban coaches. Now, in case you're wondering why did I get these, I am going to be making these into Railway Series Annie and Clarabelle. Yep, in my universe, Annie and Clarabelle are going to be the bogie versions instead of the small coaches that you see in the television series. I think they did that for budget reasons, but, well, I did grow up with seeing the smaller, like the shorter Annie and Clarabelle, but, well, since I want my new Thomas series to be Railway Series Accurate, I might as well add a Railway Series Accurate anti-Clarabelle. So here's the brake coach and the composite. Yeah. Let me just give these two a test run. And the engine that will be pulling them today is Bear. Yep. Bear. Yeah. Felt that I might as well. Well, I kind of felt that Bear kind of needed some screen. Oh dear. Oops. Let me just fix this real quick. Sorry about that. Sorry about this, guys. I should be a bit more careful when doing videos of when I move around. So got the composite on. Let me just get the brake. And let me get Bear onto the track. He is now hooked up his coaches, and quite honestly, these coaches look kind of good behind Bear. Love them. Let me just get the transformer. And let's see Bear go with the new coaches. So yeah, that was the unboxing and a bit of a sneak preview of my next custom that I'll be making. So yeah, this is Swagagen signing off.